Hi everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can download your Dubai Islamic bank account statement. Yes friends, I will teach you step by step how you can do it from this Dubai Islamic Bank mobile application. Before start this video, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You get more videos about these topics. So friends, here I will open my Dubai Islamic Bank account application. So you need to open your mobile application, then I will teach you how you can do it from your mobile. Okay, first of all, when you open your application, here is showing your bank account and your account balance. Okay, then you have to click this one. When you click this one, you see like this page. Then you have here email statement. You just need to click this one. When you click this one, then here come this page. Then here you need to starting date, which date start your statement, and here you need to select ending date, and here you need to write your email ID. Here you can write any email ID, which email ID you receive account statement. Then you have to just click continue. When you click continue, here will showing your starting date, ending date, and your email ID. You just need to click confirm. When you click to confirm, then here will showing email sent successfully. Then you have to click this one done. Then you need to go your mobile email application. When you open mobile email application, you receive like this email, share Dubai Islamic Bank account statement, then your statement number. Okay, I will blur this one for safety purpose. Okay, you receive like this email. You just no need to do anything, just click this one. Here you see account statement PDF file. Okay, your account statement is here. You just need to click this one. When you click this one, you see like this statement. You get how your account details all. Basically this is my new account, so here no have any transaction, any history. That's why here showing zero balance. You see here, I will zoom it, this one. See here your balance showing. When you have, if you have more transaction history, okay, your all details will be showing here. Here is I blur some details, account number, currency, IBN number, and my name, address, everything I will blur for safety purpose. So like this you can get your Dubai Islamic Bank account statement. I hope this video helpful for you. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You get more videos about these topics. Thank you.